power output from the turbocharged engine has long been the lowest-hanging fruit of the tuning industry, especially when reflashing an ECU with a new map can easily make more power. Sometimes much more power. That's not the case here. The Ford Focus RS Mountune upgrade, available in Europe, gets only modest stated increases, 20 horsepower and 26 pounds-to-foot over the standard RS, a car rarely criticized for being short of firepower, but, crucially, it's sold with Ford's full approval and warranty support. Mountune has a long history of extracting more power from production cars and working as a specialist race engine builder, but in recent years it has become Ford of Europe's go-to arm for tuning upgrades. As well as an ECU reflash, the RS375 kit brings high-flow silicone intake tubing, an upgraded recirculation valve, and what's described as a sound suppressor to cut down on noise from the increase in boost. Most important, it also comes with Mountune badges to ruin the day of mere Focus RS drivers. Any fears that such a modest increase in power and torque won't be detectable are nullified as soon as you start to drive the RS375. These are big horses, the sort that get the jockey club ordering blood tests. The Mountune tweaked car feels instantly keener and brawnier, pretty much across the entire rev range. We suspect the quoted gains are deliberately conservative to help appease Europe's insurance companies. The most obvious change is the Mountune car's snappier responses on park throttle, with reduced lag and the sense of improved pickup at lower engine speeds. One also feels the mid-range punching harder, and there's a marked increase in enthusiasm for exploring the final 1000 revolutions per minute of the rev range. The engine sounds stronger, too, with louder induction noises that get very throaty on full acceleration, like Darth Vader making an obscene phone call. Ford claims the power boost cuts 0.2 of a second from the Eurospec RS's claimed 4.7 second 0 to 62 mph time. We timed the standard car at 4.6 seconds to 60. We weren't in any position to quantify the improvement, since our test car was riding on winter tires and being driven in the French Alps over roads often covered in ice and snow. But the low grip surfaces gave the boosted RS a chance to show its enthusiasm for sending.